Dear uncles and aunts, every morning when we wake up, have we ever felt our body heavy, our limbs stiff, and our mind foggy, then comforted ourselves saying, maybe I'm just tired, or, it's the weather, without realizing, those are the body's silent cries, signs that our cells are exhausted. Our blood is lacking, and our life energy is slowly draining away. While some people, even at an old age, still walk lightly, think clearly, and speak with vitality, others, barely past 50, already feel weak, sore, and constantly fatigued. The difference lies here. One knows how to nourish their cellular energy each day, while the other unknowingly lets their body run dry, little by little. In truth, to be healthy, youthful, and mentally sharp, we don't need expensive supplements. We only need to understand what our body lacks, what it truly needs, and replenish it with simple gifts from nature. In today's video, I'd like to share with you a simple morning formula called Morning Energy. Nourishes blood, reduces numbness and fatigue. Just one small cup can awaken vitality within each cell, improve blood circulation, relax the nerves, and help the body rejuvenate from within. Dear uncles and aunts, if you find this content helpful, please kindly give the channel a like, subscribe, and share, so together, we can spread the truth of living healthily, peacefully, and meaningfully. Yellow heart. Before I share the detailed recipe of Morning Energy, Nourish Blood, Reduce Fatigue, I want you to understand why energy flow in our body can get blocked, making us feel tired, heavy, and drained each morning. You see, our body works just like a river. When the current flows smoothly, the water stays clear and the plants along its banks flourish, but when the flow is blocked, water stagnates, moss grows, and illness takes root. Our body is the same. When blood and energy do not circulate freely, cells are deprived of nutrients and oxygen, and no matter how well we eat, we still feel exhausted, foggy, and weak in our limbs. There are three main reasons why your body's energy flow gets blocked. First, due to weak blood and qi, often seen in people who eat irregularly, exercise little, or overthink. When blood and energy are insufficient, your cells become hungry for nutrients, leading to numbness, cold hands and feet, dull skin, and restless sleep. Second, because of electrolyte imbalance, a lack of minerals like magnesium, iron, calcium, and omega-3. These nutrients act like electrical currents that help cells transmit signals and function smoothly. When they're missing, the body becomes sluggish, heavy, and prone to muscle cramps. Third, from mental exhaustion, chronic stress, staying up late, and anxiety cause hormonal imbalance and poor blood circulation. In traditional Eastern medicine, this condition is called heart fire rising, liver qi stagnation, meaning the mind is overheated, while true energy inside is being depleted. Once we understand these causes, we realize that to truly restore health, it's not enough to just add nutrients. We must revive the flow of life energy from within, nurturing both the body and the mind, and restoring emotional balance. Now, let's dive into the natural morning recipe that helps restore energy and reduce body fatigue. Many people have tried this and noticed visible improvement within just a few weeks. To prepare this formula, the first ingredient is raisins, about 1 tablespoon, equivalent to 10 to 12 pieces. Raisins may seem like a simple snack, but they're actually a precious medicinal food in both Eastern and modern medicine. From the perspective of traditional Eastern medicine, raisins have a sweet and neutral nature, entering the liver and spleen meridians. They help nourish blood and qi, strengthen the liver, calm the mind, and improve memory. In the past, they were used to rejuvenate those who were fatigued, pale, or suffering from insomnia. From a modern scientific view, raisins are a natural source of iron and copper, two key minerals essential for producing red blood cells. When the body has enough iron, Bone marrow creates more healthy red cells, allowing oxygen to reach every cell evenly. This helps reduce morning fatigue, dizziness, and heaviness, while also brightening the skin and enhancing mental alertness. Not only that, raisins are rich in antioxidants like polyphenols and resveratrol. These compounds protect blood vessels, reduce inflammation, and slow the oxidation of bad cholesterol, supporting better heart health. Recent nutrition studies show that regularly adding raisins to your diet can help improve mild anemia, lower blood pressure, and promote deeper sleep and a calmer mind. The second ingredient is almonds or walnuts. Using about 3 to 4 pieces, equivalent to 10 grams. These two nuts are rich in essential nutrients and have long been known as brain foods. Almonds and walnuts are high in omega-3 fatty acids, magnesium, zinc, and B vitamins, all crucial elements for nourishing the nervous system and improving overall health. According to modern medicine, magnesium plays an essential role in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body. It helps relax muscles, stabilize the nervous system, and regulate heart rhythm, while reducing the risk of cramps, muscle spasms, and nervous tension. Many people who often experience numbness in the hands, leg cramps, or mild insomnia are actually suffering from long-term magnesium deficiency without realizing it. Omega-3 in almonds and walnuts is a healthy fat that benefits both the heart and the brain. This fatty acid nourishes nerve cells and enhances signal transmission between neurons, helping to improve memory, reduce muscle pain, and ease inflammation throughout the body. Additionally, zinc and B vitamins help regenerate energy, boost metabolism, and keep the body flexible and the mind clear each morning. From the perspective of traditional Eastern medicine, almonds have a sweet, slightly bitter, and warm nature. They help moisturize the lungs, soothe coughs, and support breathing, while walnuts are sweet and warm, known to nourish the kidneys, strengthen bones and tendons, and warm the extremities. When combined, these nuts nourish the body from within, promote blood circulation, and bring calm and balance to the spirit. The third ingredient is roasted peanuts. Using about 1 small spoon, equivalent to 8 to 10 kernels. Peanuts, also known as ground nuts, are a familiar food but are packed with valuable nutrients. They contain plant-based protein, healthy fats, B vitamins, and essential minerals such as magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc. Peanuts provide sustained energy to keep the body active and alert throughout the morning without causing heaviness or bloating. According to modern nutrition science, the protein in peanuts helps rebuild muscle tissue, increase endurance, and support cell recovery. Meanwhile, monounsaturated fats, especially oleic acid, help protect heart health, lower bad cholesterol, and improve blood circulation. Peanuts are also rich in vitamin B3, niacin, and folate, two nutrients that play a key role in nourishing the nervous system and enhancing blood flow to the brain, helping you stay alert, focused, and free from fatigue. From an Eastern medicine viewpoint, peanuts have a sweet and neutral nature, entering the spleen and lung meridians. They help strengthen the spleen, nourish the blood, dissolve phlegm, and moisten the lungs. In the past, peanuts were often used to replenish the weak, the undernourished, or those with poor appetite and blood deficiency. Especially when lightly roasted, peanuts become warmer and easier to digest, making them ideal for middle-aged and older adults. The next ingredient is roasted black sesame seeds. Using about half a teaspoon, equivalent to 2 to 3 grams. Black sesame, also known as Sesamum indicum, has long been considered an ancient secret of Asian longevity and one of nature's most precious foods for nourishing the blood, strengthening vitality, and moisturizing the body. These tiny seeds are packed with calcium, iron, zinc, copper, as well as vitamin E and B vitamins, all essential nutrients for maintaining full body wellness. According to modern medicine, Black sesame is a rich natural source of calcium. Just a small amount can help strengthen bones, reduce joint pain, and prevent muscle stiffness or osteoporosis. The iron and zinc it contains support blood formation and tissue repair, helping the skin stay rosy and the hair strong and shiny. Meanwhile, vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from free radicals, slows aging, improves skin elasticity, and reduces fatigue. From the perspective of traditional Eastern medicine, black sesame has a sweet and neutral nature, entering the liver and kidney meridians. It helps nourish the blood, strengthen hair, moisten the intestines, and warm the body. In ancient times, it was often used for people suffering from dizziness, early graying hair, fatigue, or weakness due to poor blood and energy circulation. Black sesame also enhances vitality, calms the mind, and nourishes both essence and spirit, making it especially beneficial for middle-aged and elderly individuals. When consumed regularly, black sesame helps warm the kidneys, improve blood flow, support digestion, and ease nervous tension. From a holistic health perspective, it is a seed that balances both body and mind, nourishing the physical self while soothing emotions, promoting inner peace, and strengthening overall energy. The final ingredient is wild honey or palm sugar. Using about 1 teaspoon, adjusted to your preferred sweetness level. Wild honey has long been regarded as nature's sweet medicine. Beyond adding pleasant flavor, it offers a wealth of health benefits. Honey contains over 80 different nutrients, including natural enzymes, amino acids, B vitamins, and trace minerals such as iron, zinc, and magnesium. These elements work together to boost immunity, warm the body, soothe sore throats, and support digestion. Additionally, the natural glucose and fructose in honey are quickly absorbed, providing instant energy to brain cells, helping you stay alert, focused, and mentally refreshed in the morning. In traditional Eastern medicine, honey is sweet in flavor and neutral in nature. Entering the lung, spleen, and stomach meridians, its main functions are to nourish the middle energy, moisten the lungs, detoxify, and soothe the digestive system. People who feel fatigued, have poor appetite, dry throat, insomnia, or irritability can all benefit from honey to help restore internal balance. When mixed with warm water, honey gently soothes the stomach lining, promotes digestion, and balances blood and energy flow, making it especially beneficial for middle-aged and elderly individuals. Palm sugar is also an excellent natural sweetener alternative to honey. It has a light, cooling sweetness and is rich in potassium, magnesium, iron, and B vitamins, which help regulate blood pressure, enhance circulation, and balance the body's energy levels. Unlike refined sugar, palm sugar is digested slowly, preventing sudden spikes in blood sugar, making it a great choice for those on a diet or managing their weight. When combined with natural ingredients like raisins, almonds, peanuts, and black sesame seeds, honey or palm sugar acts as the key activator that awakens the body's energy for the entire formula. Because of their easily absorbable natural sugars, honey and palm sugar provide cells with the quick fuel they need to start the day. Their enzymes and minerals also enhance nutrient absorption, helping the body fully metabolize important minerals like iron, calcium, and magnesium found in the nuts and seeds. Moreover, the natural sugars in honey and palm sugar help stabilize blood glucose, preventing morning fatigue or dizziness, while stimulating metabolism, gently warming the body, improving blood circulation, and sharpening mental clarity. With just 1 small spoon of honey or palm sugar each morning, you're helping your body recharge its life energy, restore blood flow, and soothe the nervous system after a long night's rest. Gradually, the heaviness and fatigue fade away, replaced by a sense of lightness, vitality, and mental calm, allowing you to begin each new day with peace and clarity. Dear uncles and aunts, please note that while this formula is very gentle and natural, a few groups should use it with caution. People with diabetes or high cholesterol. Reduce raisins and avoid honey or palm sugar. Those with stomach pain or acid reflux. Drink it after breakfast. Not on an empty stomach. Pregnant women in the first trimester. Drink only half a cup and skip the honey. Individuals allergic to nuts. Avoid almonds, peanuts, or walnuts. Replace with chia seeds or oats instead. For everyone else, you can safely enjoy this drink 5 days a week and rest 2 days. Helping your body absorb nutrients fully and feel light, strong, and energized each morning. How to prepare. Dear uncles and aunts, simply soak the raisins, almonds, and peanuts overnight to make them softer and easier to digest. The next morning, rinse them clean and add them to about 200 milliliters of warm water. Then mix in roasted black sesame seeds and 1 teaspoon of honey or palm sugar. Stir well and drink while your stomach is still slightly empty. This helps the body absorb nutrients more effectively. Dear uncles, aunts, and friends, to achieve lasting health, it's not just about adding nutrients, it's even more important to avoid daily habits that quietly drain your life energy. The first habit is drinking strong coffee or tea on an empty stomach. At that time, your stomach lining isn't protected, and caffeine can overstimulate it, causing mineral loss, rapid heartbeat, and dizziness. If you love coffee, drink it at least 30 minutes after breakfast, and add a pinch of salt to balance acidity. The second habit is eating salty foods or late-night meals. Excess salt causes water retention, putting pressure on the heart and kidneys. Eating late forces the liver to work overtime, instead of restoring energy. It burns more of it. Over time, you'll wake up tired, heavy-headed, and with stiff limbs. The third habit is lack of sleep or staying up late. During sleep, your body regenerates cells and regulates circulation. When sleep is insufficient, blood flow weakens, nerves become tense, and over time you feel constant fatigue, poor memory, and dull skin. So, to stay truly healthy, you must both nourish and nurture your body. Nourish means fueling it with the right nutrients at the right time. Nurture means resting, breathing, slowing down, and appreciating every moment. Each morning, just start with a glass of warm water, a few deep breaths, and this natural, morning energy drink. Maintain this habit 5 days a week, and you'll soon feel the difference. A lighter body, a calmer mind, rosier skin, and, most importantly, a renewed vitality flowing through every cell. Herb Yellow Heart. Dear uncles and aunts, sometimes true health doesn't come from expensive pills or luxury treatments. It hides in the simplest things. A cup of warm water, a few raisins, a pinch of sesame, or simply the act of loving yourself each morning. When you take time to care for your body with pure, natural ingredients, you're quietly reviving the life within each cell, helping blood flow freely, the mind rest in peace, and joy return with every breath. Health doesn't appear overnight, but if each day you plant one small seed of kindness toward yourself, happiness and peace will bloom inside you. If you find this formula helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video so more people can join us in nurturing body, mind, and spirit, to wake up each morning grateful for the gift of health, love, and a new day to live fully.